Hi movers, this is our good morning yoga stretch. This is a sequence of movements that I use if I have a smaller window of time and I still really want to get that daily movement in to awaken my body and inspire my mind. So let's get started here in Sukhasana, or any seated position that feels comfortable to you. Roll the shoulders back, sit nice and tall with that long spine, and just close your eyes. Give yourself a moment to just find your breath. Breathing deep into that low belly space. As you exhale, draw the belly back towards the spine. And just take one more breath here to set an intention. And take a deep breath in through your nose. And just release it out the mouth. All right, let's blink those eyes open. So we're going to begin here. We'll just bring our palms together at our heart center. And as you inhale, we're going to open and expand those arms out to the sides. Lift the chest, find a little arch of the spine. As you exhale, bring the palms back to your heart center and tuck the chin towards the chest, round the back. As you inhale, interlace the fingertips now, send the palms up towards the sky. Take a big stretch here, and as you exhale, hands back towards that heart center. We're going to do that twice more. Inhale, open, expand across the chest and the shoulders. Exhale, round it out, palms towards the heart. Inhale, interlace the fingertips, send them up. And exhale, hands to your heart. Last time here, inhale. Exhale to round. Inhale, palms up. And exhale, hands to your heart. All right, just making sure that the right leg is in front of the left one. We're going to take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, just walk those fingertips forward, any amount coming into a forward fold. We're just targeting that right hip now. And once you get to your stretch here, just take a little sway side to side. I'll invite you to relax the neck. On the exhale, let's walk the fingertips over towards your right side. Just feeling that side body stretch up the left side. Draw that low belly in and see if you can stay grounded through your sits bones, especially through that left one. And inhale, let's bring it back through center. As you exhale, walk it over to your left. And then inhale, come back to center. Let's ease our way back up, and we're moving right into our tabletop position. So come with me onto the hands and onto the knees here. Make sure the wrists are underneath our shoulders, our knees are underneath our hips, and let's move right through cat-cows. Big inhale, arch the spine, open up that front body, crown of the head towards the tail. Exhale, tuck the chin, spread those shoulder blades apart, round the back. Inhale, arch. Exhale to round. Inhale. Exhale. Let's just take one more inhale. And exhale. From here, we're going to move right into our downward facing dog. So lengthen your stance a little bit, tuck those toes and send the hips up. Take some time here to pedal out the feet, maybe find a little twist or a rock. Do whatever feels good for the body. Remembering you can always bend your knees here, just keep reaching those hips up and away from the top of the mat. Find that nice long spine. Let's exhale, bend the knees, look towards the top of the mat. We're going to walk the feet forward up to the hands, keeping our feet hips distance. Take that forward fold. Option to bend the knees and just sway a little bit side to side. You can grab your elbows. And see if you can bring your weight a little more forward towards the balls of the feet, towards the toes. Release the arms. As you inhale, let's roll the spine all the way into our standing position. When you reach the top, I'll invite you to just find a little movement. Maybe roll the shoulders. Maybe you want to twist a little bit. Shake everything out. And step forward with me towards the top of the mat. We're just going to do 3 rounds of Sun Salutation A. So bring the hands to your heart center, but we're going to add in a little side stretch for the first one. Take a deep breath in, sweep the arms up, clasp onto that left wrist as you inhale, reach up towards the sky, and as you exhale, reach up and over towards that right side, stretching into that entire left side body. Inhale, come back to center. We'll just switch. As you exhale, reach up and over to your left. Try to firm the inner thighs, firm the core here. Inhale, come back to center. As you exhale, forward fold. Option to bend those knees, bow the head. Inhale to your flat back. Exhale, plant those palms. We're stepping back to plank pose. Wrists underneath those shoulders. Keep the heels right over the balls of the feet. Really press away from the ground, firm your core. As you exhale, shifting forward, the shoulders will pass the wrists. Option to set the knees down if you're taking modified. Squeeze those elbows in, lower all the way down to the belly. Untuck those toes. We're going to interlace the fingertips behind the back. Squeeze the palms together. We're just going to lift the chest. Inhale, squeeze the core, lift the heart up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up. Ground down through the tops of those feet. Exhale, lower. One more time. Inhale, lift the heart. Go ahead and point those toes and lift the legs. So we're in full Shalabhasana, locust pose. Exhale, lower down. Hands underneath your shoulders. Press back. Downward facing dog. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, clear it out. Let's exhale, bend the knees, step or jump forward, top of the mat. Inhale to your flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale to rise up. And exhale, hands to your heart. All right, just 2 more rounds. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, plant the palms. All right, so we're back here in plank pose, shifting forward. Take that chaturanga, full or modified. Squeeze the elbows in. Inhale, your choice of a back bend. So you can take those locust poses, or if you want to take baby cobra, you can go ahead and float the chest, float the hands. If you want to come all the way up into your upward facing dog, take that now, straighten those arms, maybe float the legs. Lift through the heart, maybe sway a little side to side. Take it back, downward facing dog. Let's exhale, bend the knees, step or jump forward, top of the mat. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale to rise up. And exhale, hands to your heart. Let's keep energizing one more time. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the palms. Go ahead and move through that vinyasa. Feel free to take a child's pose if you want to skip the chaturanga, skip that up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deep breath in, deep breath out. As you exhale, lower the knees down to the mat. Well done with those 3 rounds. Let's take a child's pose. Just surrender the mind all the way down to the mat. Feel into your breath. Let it slow down. And grounding here for as long as you'd like. Thank you so much for practicing with me. This was your good morning yoga stretch. Namaste.